Every organisation, be it a governmental body, non-profit or enterprise, produces something or creates services for somebody. In order to develop a product or perform a service, a set of activities needs to be undertaken by employees or machines. This can include manufacturing, quality assurance, packaging, shipping, and purchasing. Services are also typically required to coordinate and support these activities. In other words, an organisation needs specific services in order to operate effectively. This usually means having a management approach, information services, legal services, marketing, and so on. A set of activities that are performed in coordination in organisational and technical environments and jointly realise a business goal is described as a business process. Each business process is enacted by a single organisation. However, it may also interact with business processes performed by other parties, such as suppliers, contractors, or international divisions. In summary, each organisation performs business processes. These represent organisational assets that are essential for creating value for customers. Some business processes are organisational assets. An organisation has to take care of them, and for this, the first logical step is process identification. Once an organisation has identified its processes, it can then observe and analyse them. With process analysis, an organisation can find weaknesses and limitations in organisational processes. The next logical step is to apply changes to processes in order to improve and enhance them. This helps the organisation to perform more effectively and efficiently.